In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create this crystal effect in your videos. So first of all, we need to go to Novoads AI. The link of this platform is going to be in the comment section. And once you arrive here, you need to create an account. After that, you will arrive here. And here we need to click where it says video. Now we have to go to settings, and here in model, we have to click in OmniFlash. Now here in length, I'm going to use 10 seconds because my video is 10 seconds long. Now we have to click here and upload the video that we want to modify. In this case, it's this video.
I've been looking for the perfect dress for months. This one has it all.
Well, this is the video. Now let's click here. And now here, where it says describe your video, we're going to use the following prompt. This prompt is going to be in the comment section. Now we have to click here and now click in generate. And now we have to wait more or less 4 minutes. Perfect. Here we have the result. So now let's see it.
I've been looking for the perfect dress for months. This one has it all. The fit, the flow, the lightweight fabric. It's the best I've ever had. Link in my profile.
Well, I don't know what you think, but personally, I like it a lot, the video. So if you want to do videos like this one, or for example, the others that I have created in other tutorials, remember that you can try Novoads AI for just $1. So well, after saying that, see you in the next video.